Hey, what's up? You know what? I just bought this last week and I thought the place I bought it from was actually from China, SpeedyBee.com. And yeah, in just 4 days it's here. 4 or 5 days it's here. I believe it's an ESC. Couldn't remember, but it was on sale. I paid like $34. It's a 50 amp ESC 4-in-1. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, it's a unboxing video. Having a hard time because I would like you guys to see everything. There you go. Cool. There you go. Sorry about that. Almost, guys. Almost. We're here. I don't want to cut the video because I know how interesting it is to see, right? There you go. Let's see. Oops, there's one more. Oh, there you go. Yeah, it's an ESC. Oh, what's this thing? What is this thing? Pass QC. And then this is it. It's a 50 amp 4-in-1 ESC. Yeah, quite nice. I'm pretty sure underneath this paper is or are the accessories like the cables. Yeah, see? Oh, it comes with an XT60 connector. Again, I paid $34. Yeah, and this, oh, it comes with a caps as well. Wow. Capacitor costs like $5, right? That harness, let's try $3, so that's already $8 right there. So $8 minus 34, so this is like what, $26? 26 plus 8, yeah, $26. That's really cheap. And quite honestly, SpeedyBee is actually a good product. Some guys swear by it. Not me. It's good. This is my third now. I never had any issues with it. Maybe the reason why it fails for them is because maybe cold solder, right? Do you agree with me? And when there's a cold solder, what happens? It touches the other parts of the pads and then causes fire and failure. Yeah, I think it's a user problem, you know. Yeah, I like it a lot. It's nice. BLS, and yeah, doesn't matter BLS or BL Heli 32, they work great for me. I fly the same style. I don't see any difference in my flight. Alrighty, guys, that's it. Just wanted to share you this $34 or $26 flight controller. Yeah, thank you, SpeedyBee. Oh, this, how much is this? How much is one connector? So I guess instead of 26, let's take out like $3. So 26, so $23. Oh my god, this is really cheap. Wow, awesome. Alrighty, guys, that's it. Thank you.